Crunchy and spicy nacho with the best topping. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarisch. You barely can find someone who doesn't like nacho. Even the simple tortilla chips dipped in salsa is a fulfilling snack, but not a food. You can turn it into a delicious meal with some nutritious topping though. The topping I choose for today includes chicken, so let's start with prepping the marinade. In a bowl add 2 tablespoons lime juice and 1 teaspoon of each cayenne pepper, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil and 1 teaspoon salt. And then mix everything together. I forgot to mention preheat the oven at 160 degrees. Now I cut 500 grams chicken breast in stripes. You don't want to bite on a juicy piece when you expect ultimate crunchiness from a nacho dish. That's why I suggest thin stripes. I have another video of making homemade nacho from scratch with ground meat topping. You can find the link in the description or simply click on the card above. Add the chicken to the marinade and make sure they are covered well with the mixture and let it rest at least 1 hour in the fridge. After the resting time, fry the chicken with 2 tablespoons oil. You will see the spices in the marinade, especially the chili and the garlic powder, gives the chicken a matching taste perfect for the nacho. Let the chicken aside and prep the nacho chips. In this recipe I use a pack of salted nacho. But like I said before, you can make the chips at home. And if you want to see how, check the link in the description. Don't use tasted nacho chips for this recipe. We don't want any other taste spoils the delicious topping we will add to the chips. After you spread a layer of chips in your baking pan, pour 3 to 4 spoons of Mornay Sauce to them. You might know how to make this cheesy sauce if you saw my video on that. If not, you can check the link in the description or see the card above. Top it with some pieces of fried chicken. And then some pickled jalapeno for the kick. It's a Mexican dish after all. Some other spoons of sauce. And then repeat the layering 2 more times. For the final touch, I grind English cheddar on the top of everything. It gives the dish such a beautiful color, not to mention the taste. Put the baking pan in the preheated oven for 15 minutes. And there we are. Looks tempting. The Mornay sauce gave it a richness that a simple cheese can't. We turned a pack of snack to a delicious meal with spicy chicken and a cheesy sauce. Don't forget to check my video for the homemade nachos with ground meat topping if you haven't already. Give this video a thumb up and hit the subscribe button to support our channel. Thanks for watching.